For the lungs, this is something that we need to obviously consult our doctor for, along with general information that we get over here, because it's a sensitive matter. Each person is in a different stage of lung health, especially given the pandemic. So if somebody's got very weak lungs, or they're coming out of COVID, or they're coming out of pneumonia, we want to take it easy and do lighter breathing exercises, go for walks, all in alignment with what the doctor's advice is. If he says 10 minutes or 20 minutes, do it according to that. But for a healthy person who wants to simply improve their lung health, or somebody who has a general chronic condition of lungs which is not overly aggravating, and they just want to sort of see what they can do to help it, doing exercises which obviously increase cardio in a gentler, softer way will always be good for our lungs as well as our heart. So walking, swimming, all of these, cycling as well, light cycling will also help. Not too much or not beyond your present capacity, but just enough to create healthy circulation and movement. Certain yoga exercises, breath work, and even certain Pilates exercises, for example, anything that really builds core strength and stamina, step by step, in a systematic way, increasing it every week, will also help lung health.